Excuse me, I'm just enjoying the crap out of these raspberry cookies. Look at these things. I'm about to show you how to make these. Also, a few weeks ago, I gave away a Damascus steel knife. This week, I'm giving away a griddle pan. It's a nice Cuisine. Stay tuned in the video. I'm going to show you exactly what's in that pan and the details of how to get it. Chances are you're already entered into it. So let me show you first how to make this recipe. Things turned out awesome. I'm so pumped to show you this. Let's do it.
So some of you might think this recipe is pretty familiar because I've actually used it to make my cinnamon sticks recipe, which is just the same cookie recipe, except instead of using a cinnamon and butter topping, today we're going to be using a raspberry filling. We're going to take our glass bowl, we're going to put all the dry ingredients in there first. And then right in the center, we're going to crack an egg. And we're going to add the rest of our wet ingredients. And kind of just stir it up right in the middle and then slowly start incorporating the rest of the dry ingredients. And then pretty soon you're just gonna have like a dough mixture. I definitely picked the wrong thing to stir this with, but that still worked. I got my hands in there and then boom, check it out. It's like a nice little ball of cookie dough. So at this point, we just gotta shape our cookies. And to do that, I'm using a tablespoon. And that's just to portion it out correctly, just to make sure that each one is the same size. And then using a complicated French baking process, we're going to use our thumb to do a thumb press and make a little divot in each one of these. No, I'm just kidding. Just put your thumb in there. We just got to make a little spot for the raspberry filling. And it should look something like this when you're done. Now the filling. Okay, I definitely got way too many raspberries for this. I probably could have got away with just using half a container of raspberries. I ended up putting 2 in here and I had a ton of raspberries left over. So you just heat this up, and the point of heating it up is just to get it liquidy to the point where once it sets, it's going to be kind of like a, you know, almost like a syrup. And so stop when it looks like that. And if I could do this recipe again, I would definitely let this cool all the way in the fridge, because I noticed that once it's set, it was a lot easier to handle and it didn't soak into the cookies as much. Anyways, use another tablespoon to load up our cookies here. As you can see, this is 1 tablespoon. I'm only using about half for each cookie here. So you can see that it doesn't really take much at all. And boom, into the oven. While it's in the oven, let me tell you about this giveaway. So this is a Cuisine griddle pan. This is perfect for steaks. I've got some searing oil, the avocado oil, some steak seasoning, some stainless steel steak knives, and of course this beautiful Cuisine pan, same brand that I use on my videos. Check the link in the description to enter to win it. Anyways, 14 minutes has passed and the cookies are ready. I'm gonna use Xyla. Top each cookie with Xyla. It's like this heavy, granular, keto approved sweetener, and it just looks really good. These cookies turned out amazing. Honestly, I'm making them for my family for Christmas. I wonder if they're even going to tell the difference because they taste so dope. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Keep it keto, stay healthy. Peace.